Algebra 2. Why do we need Algebra 2? One genuine question. How is that going to help me outside of school? I have the answer for you. Don't worry. If it's a trick question for you to answer, don't worry. Let me answer for you real quick. You don't. When am I ever going to have to figure out the slope of a negative interval substituted for 2x minus y? I'm not. Okay, I'm going to go to the grocery store. Cashier's going to ring up my stuff. I'm going to figure out how much I need to pay, and I'm going to be out. I'm not going to be walking down the street looking at a damn stop sign and be like, oh, if I look at the left corner in the top right, I think that's going to be negative 2x and then 5y. No. That's just not happening. It's not realistic. Why do I need to learn this? I mean, I guess you could argue that it's testing your brain. Testing my brain for useless knowledge that I'm never ever going to use outside of school? Slightly pointless, if you do ask me. You know, it's just a thought. Like, what's so necessary about it? Just math as a whole. Like science, you could argue that you could use science in real life. Like, I don't know, making something, like making soap, cooking food. What are you doing? Stop that. Or PE, obviously, that's, used for your health. You need to be active to, like, live and stuff. That's obviously necessary. What else? English, I guess you need to learn and know how to read. That's also useful. You know what's not useful? Algebra. It's literally fixed questions that would never, like, the questions, it's like playing against bots, but like they're in the same pattern every time. It's not gonna help you in a real game. It's a great analogy. Why are they giving me fixed questions? Like, those questions will never pop up in my day-to-day life. They won't. Yet they'll still give them to me. It's not like they're making them up on the spot. It's just not, I don't know, conventional. And I guess you could say maybe it's just a skill issue. It's definitely a skill issue, but I just don't see why I need to learn how to do algebra. At least algebra 2. Geometry, sure. I'll give that. I'll give geometry its props. But algebra, bro? Really, dude? Unnecessary. To be honest, I feel like the Ubisoft team's over there fucking making the Algebra 2 questions. That's why I'm fucking going crazy in that class. That's why I'm not going crazy in that class. Average Ubisoft employee. Fuck Ubisoft.